Hello again. This is the CodeReady version of the Mediator design pattern. Now let's see what have we done here. The example of the Mediator design pattern is a chat room where users can log in and send messages to each other. The main class of the Mediator design pattern has a couple of lines of code. Let's see what it is. We have a chat room class here first, and we have three user objects, user class instantiations. One for Albert, one for Nancy, and one for Mark. Each of these users have a reference to the chat room, and this chat room has also the reference, a list of users inside. So if I run this application, this program, not application, the result will be Mark, or actually Albert is sending a message. He is saying hello all, and Nancy and Mark is getting the message. Albert is not getting the message because he sent the message. Let's see how we implemented the user. Well, the user class is very simple in this Mediator design pattern. We have a chat room instance, chat room variable inside the class, so that user can know which chat room he or she has logged in. We have two methods here, send message and receive message. These methods are pretty simple. We are just printing out the message come from other users, and we are sending the message to the chat room so that other users can receive the message we sent. And we are sending this instance here so the chat room can know the user which is sending the message. Let's take a look at the chat room. Now the chat room has users list inside. We are adding users to the chat room, so it's basically logging in for users. And once the users are logged in, once they get the variable, once they get the instance of chat room inside, they can use the send message to users method inside the chat room. And chat room will mediate the message to the other users. That's where the name comes from, the mediator. The chat room receives an information and it will propagate the message or the object to other classes, other users in this example. So Mediator design pattern is like a combination of the visitor and the observer, because our chat room class has users and some kind of notification structure behind, and users are able to connect to chat room and they are holding a reference inside. But if we combine them, we have a chat room and users inside the chat room. So we want to be able to deliver a message from user to other users. So basically observers are interconnecting in this example. We have users and we want to give the user the ability to talk to other users. And that simple structure is the mediator class here. That's all about the CodeReady version of the Mediator design pattern. I'll see you in the next implementation video. Thank you.